Well, it's 7:30 in the morning on Thursday. It is raining, but you can't tell. It's definitely fall. Everything should look a lot different than day 100. I gave up posting for a little bit. The holidays, with money, with kind of everything, my time, I decided to take a little bit of break. Got a little burned out on, having to spend 3-ish hours every single night editing and posting the vlog, and then the money I'm spending on advertising to get a little bit of growth out of this channel just kind of very slowly sucking me dry. So I decided to just stop for a while and give it a rest, and I'm happy I did so, because now it's been a couple of weeks at least, and I got a lot more time to myself, a lot more time with Ashley and work and shit, just catching up on TV series. And well, I don't have a TV, but I got a tablet, catching up on all that stuff, the things that I've been enjoying. But now we're back at it, and I'm calling today day 101 anyways, even though technically it's not. But there's just going to be a big old gap between 100 and 101. So I'm headed to work on this very rainy day. We got rained off the job that we were on, and today we're going to go move some equipment around in the lowboy and get the 5 moved, maybe the Sani moved, shuffle some stuff around, get stuff over to different job sites and stuff and whatnot. So I got rain gear ready to go, and then hopefully we might be starting a trucking company. If we do that, pretty soon Keep On Trucking channel will actually have trucking in it. Instead of me working for an excavation company, I'll be out on the road heavy hauling on 7 axles with an RGN. But don't know how that's going to go yet. Still kind of waiting on numbers and whatnot. But it's in the works, to say the least. So looking forward to it. But we'll be over the office here not too terribly much longer. Well, you can't see me, but it's... well, you can't see the clock now either. It's 6:30, and I'm over here at Tito's Tacos, grabbing some dinner. Ashley left me to go run home to go let the puppies out, because I'm sure they've peed in their enclosure. And last night, Pem had the entire underside of them covered in pee. So I wanted her to run home and go let them out. Hopefully they haven't peed in there and got all over the paws and all that stuff. Really pain in the butt. But I didn't film much. We're at the owner's house vast majority of the day, assembling some racks and stuff that are going to go in the shipping container at the yard. So I didn't want to film there. I didn't really do too much else interesting. I got the haul truck hooked back to the RGN. So my return vlog back to the vlog is going to be pretty boring for today. But didn't do a whole lot that I really wanted to film. But either way, at least we'll get something posted. Not too far from home, about 4 more turns, and I'll be there. And we'll hopefully get a lot done tomorrow. If things go well, I'm gonna move a whole bunch of pieces of equipment tomorrow. But we don't know if anything's even remotely dried out enough to even think about doing it. So we got to kind of see how that stuff plays out first. And then some of the equipment needs to be pressure washed before it gets moved, and the guys are going to try and get on it in the morning as well. But tomorrow's Friday, so it's kind of the last day to get that sort of stuff done. I'm going to probably work this weekend, but Saturday they're calling for a whole bunch of rain, and that might mess up the work we got to do again. So just don't know how the whole thing is going to play out, but we'll just have to see. But for now, first day return back to the vlog, and not much to it, but hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit more interesting. So see you guys tomorrow.